This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Gimme candy!
Here you go.
Gimme candy!
Oh, here.
Gimme candy!
Oh, Sam! Can't I drink coffee in peace?
Alright, I just have this candy mood today.
So I see. You've even infected me with it.
Candy mood is indeed very catchy. Will you now eat candy every hour too?
Not me, because I know that too many sweets are bad for your health. I'll make myself a candy bracelet, just right for this kind of mood. Oh, yeah.
A bracelet? Hard to imagine.
Just try it.
Alright, surprise me!
Hi, guys. Sam has infected me with a candy mood today, and I've remembered that I have these wonderful beads. They look just like candy, right?
And you said you wouldn't eat candy.
Well, these aren't candy.
That remains to be seen.
In any case, I'll use them to make a bracelet for myself. Besides the beads, I'll also need this kind of wire, some clippers, and pliers.
Clippers and pliers? Now this is something new. Be careful with this new stuff!
I will. Thank you for caring, Sammy.
You're welcome. As part of my caring, I'll take one of your non-candies for expertise.
Okay, first, I'll take the wire and bend one end with the help of the pliers. Like this. There. This will help to make sure the beads don't slip. Hey!
These non-candy of yours are really not candy.
I told you so, and it's not an excuse to throw things. Actually, I'll start with this bead. I'll string them one by one to make a beautiful color switch. I should sort them beforehand.
Let me help!
Sure. Let's sort the beads to get a gradient.
What?
Gradient. It's what you get when one hue switches smoothly to another one. Here, look.
I think I understand. You can go take a rest, and I'll do it myself.
Well, all right.
This one goes here, and this one goes here. This gradient is coming out great. Back already? Here, look!
Oh, this isn't quite what I had in mind.
Yeah? I think it came out great. Ideal candy mix.
Thanks for trying, Sammy. Maybe we could do it a different way. I'll place this one here, and this one here. Oh, these colors are so beautiful and soft. They're usually called pastel. And one more. Done! Now I'll string the beads on the wire in this order. Oh, this is fun. It's like making a pastel rainbow.
And back in the Tibidabo, my color mess would have been much appreciated.
I have no doubts about it.
Nobody appreciates me here! Guys, can you at least subscribe to the channel, please? Let me know that my creative aspirations are appreciated by someone.
There. All the beads are in place. Now I'll need to cut the extra wire with the clippers. Like that. And then I'll bend the end with the pliers. Carefully now. And done! I need to try it on right away. Oh, I think it came out wonderful. Give a thumbs up if you agree.
Meh, bracelets are boring. Even if it's pretty. Now, if these were candies...
You know what? It's easy to fix.
Really? Wow!
Here, look.
Are these beads too?
Not quite. These are candies, all right. We'll put them on the string, and you'll have a bracelet you can eat.
Yeah, now you're talking. I don't need any grandants. Just string them on, and that's it.
Will do.
I'm watching you.
I'm going to need a safe plastic needle for this. I'll put it through the candies like this, one by one.
Take more, take more!
Oh, I'm taking! Whoops, all gone. I'll tie the ends. And here you go.
It looks alright. Thanks, Sue.
Guys, which bracelet did you like more? Write in the comments. If you make a bracelet like this, send us your photos. It'll make our day. See you soon!
Yeah, I need to check something.
Sam, no. Sam, come here, quick!
Coming! Here, what?
Look what I've got for you.
Oh, a whole bag of candies? Cool, give them to me.
Here you go.
Oh, no! Oh, Sue, why?
I didn't know the bag was so flimsy.
Now I'll have to gather all the candies all over the house. Next time, bring candies in something sturdier.
I have a good idea. I'll make you a candy bowl.
A candy bowl? Please do. That will at least partially make up for all this mess.
I don't often experience such disasters. There are candies at every step now. But I won't let this get me down. It's time to start making the bowl instead. To make it, I'll need this oven-safe bowl.
Hey, you're not going to give me this boring thing, are you?
No, Sam. I only need it for the process.
Oh, all right then.
I'll also need some vegetable oil and a baking brush. But, most importantly, I'll need these Hama beads.
Are you going to make a candy bowl out of candy?
No, these aren't candies. These are beads.
Well, a candy bowl out of candies would have been more interesting.
First, I'll need to grease the bowl with oil. I'll use this brush and spread it around.
Let me do it!
Okay.
Oh, yes, I'll grease it really, really well. No idea what for, but it's fun!
Oh, that'll be enough, Sammy. Thanks.
Okay, well, you're welcome. I'll continue gathering my candies.
And now I'll take the beads and pour them into the bowl. Now I need to spread them neatly all over the bottom and the sides, just like this. And some more. I'll spread them evenly to make an even layer. Oh, so bright! Sam! What happened to the candy? And you?
One candy flew right into Fluffy's corner. I had to fight for it.
Oh, poor Sam. So, while Sammy is resting after his battle for the candy, I'll finish spreading the beads, like this. We need to get it to the edge, so it'll look really, really pretty. Ready? Now, I'll need to place this into the oven for 10 minutes. We'll place it onto the parchment paper and close it. Now, the oven is very hot, so make sure to ask an adult for help.
Is it okay to place beads in the oven?
These beads are okay. They're made for it.
Ooh, they've started to melt! Ah, they melt so pretty! Interesting!
Now I'll take the bowl out of the oven and let it cool. Here we go.
Aha! I'm king of the candy hill!
Yeah, you are. All you need is a crown.
Well, that's fine. I look good even without the crown. So, how's the candy bowl coming out?
Well, let's take a look. I'll take it out of the mold. Here!
Yes! My candies deserve only this kind of bowl.
I'm doing it. Now nothing will tear or spill.
Now I won't have to worry about my candies. I need to eat one to celebrate. Or, two.
Hey, sweet tooth, stop. Leave them for later. Guys, did you like this bead bowl? Give a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep track of new videos about Sam's adventures. Yeah? Bye!
What do you mean, finders keepers? It was my candy in the first place! Tisk, mind your language.
I just love the park in the early morning. Don't you, Daffodil? Oh, it's nice and quiet.
I love it because it's so beautiful. Yuck! Someone dropped some litter on the ground. Why can't they use the trash can?
That's very strange. I don't see one.
I'm sure there used to be a trash can here somewhere. Found it! The plants have grown up all around it.
Well, you can't really blame the visitors for not using it if they can't see it.
Well, we'd better make sure they can. We'll need some help.
He hasn't moved since I got here. I'm asking myself, is it some invisible force field? Is he practicing to become a statue? Or is it...
Bucky?
Chef Dorn, you can speak. It's so good to hear your voice. I was just...
Bucky, just listen. I want to move, but...
You're stuck to the ground.
Chewing gum.
We have to get the visitors using that trash can again.
Problem solved. Visitors in the park! Visitors in the park! Leap up, lily buds!
Oh, honey, let me wipe that ice cream off your face.
They didn't put it in the trash can.
They must have got used to it not being there, so they haven't noticed it's back again.
Then we'll have to make sure they do.
Carrot curry soup, Chef. Your favorite.
Ready to pull? On 3.
Thank you, Bucky.
1,
Very thoughtful.
2, 3!
It's just a little soup, Thorn.
You wouldn't say that if you were stuck in chewing gum.
And covered in carrot curry soup.
I'm sure you'll find a solution. Now I'm stuck in chewing gum.
I think the only thing to do is wait for the gum to harden. Then I'll chip it away. You could be here for the day. What? Visitor alert! Take cover, lily buds!
They'll never see you now.
Thank you, Bucky.
All clear! We have an all clear. Oh no! It's worse now.
Could we put up some kind of sign, this way to the trash can?
We could never make one big enough for the visitors to see.
Oh, I could stand next to the trash can and point. Or I could disguise myself as a snail.
No, Moss. You've given me an idea. What if there was someone near the trash can calling attention to it? Someone who can be seen.
And someone cuter than a snail? So, it's very simple and safe. What we want you to do is lead visitors to the trash can by
Being cute.
Oh, they can certainly manage that. They are very cute. Stop that, Maud.
Claudette said she was cuter than me.
I am cuter than her.
I'm the cutest! I'm the cutest!
Stop it, Carson. No, you're not. Mama, tell him.
That's enough, all of you. They're usually so well behaved. I'm sure they'll be better when they've walked off some of that energy. Off we go.
Thank you for coming. We'll let you know.
What now? Who are we going to find who's cute enough to... Hello, Ellery.
Hello, ladies. I've just seen Thorn and his furry assistant out in the square, where they seem to be stuck for the moment. And I thought...
And you thought you'd just check to make sure the kitchen was secure?
Miss Lilybud, you know me so well. You're right, I care. I care about everything.
You're quite cute, aren't you?
Who, me? I have been called handsome, sophisticated, dashing. Yes, even cute, I do believe.
I've heard enough. Ellery, would you follow us, please?
Lilac, for the 5th time, stop pushing me out in the sun.
I'm not. You're pushing me. Guys, you shouldn't really be out in the open anyway, in case you're seen.
Oh, thank you, Rose. The sun was making them kind of grumpy. They'll be much better now.
Still hasn't hardened. This is all your fault.
I'm not listening.
I'm not talking to you then. Bucky, please tell Thorn I'm not talking to him.
Bucky, please. Tell Lilac I'm not listening to her.
So, how exactly do you see this star chipmunk? Is he young? Old? Does he have brothers and sisters? Or is he perhaps an only child?
I think he's mostly cute.
That's certainly no challenge for me.
Visitor alert! Leap up, Lilybuds!
You're on, Ellery. Go out there and show them the trash can.
Look at that adorable chipmunk.
That's remarkable. It's as if he's trying to tell us where the trash can is.
Great job, Ellery. Once visitors visitors see the trash can, our litter problem will be solved.
I was good, wasn't I? Yes, I think we've got plenty to work with here.
Leap up, Lilybud! Leap up, Lilybud!
You have to come and see this chipmunk living in the trash can. He's so cute and funny.
Bucky, could you please tell Thorn, I spy with my little eye something beginning with L.
Chef Thorn, Lilac spies, with her little eye, something beginning with L.
Can you tell her we've had Leaf already?
I was talking about these lavender cookies. I mean, Bucky, would you please tell Thorn that it's not Leaf that I spied, but lavender?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Here's your apple juice and your carrot slices, Ellery.
I've changed my mind. I want raspberry juice. And honey. I must have honey.
Right away.
Hello. Am I needed by the trash can? A star's work is never done.
No, you're fine. We just wanted to say thank you. You've been brilliant.
I know.
Everyone's using the trash can. It's wonderful, but...
Could you possibly stop now? It's just that you're actually attracting more visitors to the park.
Isn't that the job of the entertainer?
We're getting no work done because we're hiding all the time.
I hear what you're saying. But if my public wants me, then I can't let them down, can I?
It's a problem, all right. Look at poor Spearmint. He's plumb tuckered out. We're doing visitor alerts every 2 minutes.
It's our fault. We asked Ellery to be cute.
We don't need cute. We need quiet, well-behaved, someone who can be under control and take direction.
That's it! Mama Duck! Mama Duck! We have a favor to ask you.
Spearmint! Here we go again!
Quick, over here!
Visitor alert! Leap up, Lilybud!
There he is. There's your chipmunk.
Oh, look, Mommy! Baby ducks!
Oh, we'd better stay away. Don't want to scare the little things or worry the mother duck.
Come on, honey. Let's go home.
Hang on, dear. Just have to throw away these cans and garbage.
Oh, hey, Cap. Did you know Lilac makes her own marshmallows? She promised to give me lessons in the buttercup, didn't you?
And I never knew Thorn is the best person ever at Simon Says.
It's amazing what you learn about people sometimes. Ah, Bucky, how kind.
Oh, the gum's hard. We can rescue you now.
No. Don't worry about us if you have other things to do.
Raspberry peach. Thorn, you have to try this.
Mr. Ellery, can we have your autograph, please?
I'm sorry, but I am out of the entertainment business.
Please!
All right.